Hi guys, thought we'd nip on. I had some help yesterday, so I thought I would get some preparation done. This is the wife's part with a woodland theme, and there's Alfie. We got it covered in bark and got some plants in, and I've got my potato pots ready and some other planters. There's going to be sweet corn going in there. There's my tomato boxes. So we've got some of the gardening done. That was a good job done yesterday. Thankfully I had the help and we got it done. Okay, back in a sec. Okay, here we are in the grow room again. The only herb that I didn't have was basil, so the wife brought me in some basil. You get it from Asda, growing on or something. So I've potted it on, but there was bits broken off. So I have got it to see if I can get some roots on it. And that'll give me some more basil for later on, or to give away. Okay, wee update on what's going on in here. My spring onions have come up. If I can get that light out of the way. Spring onions have come up. I've got a very slight showing of onions. My lettuce has come up. And some wood beetroot, multi-sown, have come up. So once the onions start showing, this whole tray will get put outside. And these are just things that I've potted on for myself that will be going outside soon, and I've still got the ones at the back to pot on. I'm just waiting and I'm getting a wee bit bigger. The wife also brought me in a magazine. Is it called Grow Your Own? Kitchen Garden? Anyway, it came with bags of seeds. So I've decided I'm going to sow some of these today. I'll not show you doing it because everybody knows how to sow seeds. But this is Swiss chard now. I have never in my life that I know of tasted Swiss chard. So, what can anybody out there tell me what it tastes like? Is it good? Maybe I've had it in soup and I didn't know it. I don't know. But it says there, cook the stems like asparagus. Now, I love asparagus. Does it taste like asparagus? I don't know. I'm going to sow some and I'm going to grow some just to see. If I like it, I like it. I don't, I'll give it away. I'm going to try some of these as well. I'm going to put some of these in. Some red onion. Looks like red baron. We don't eat red onion a lot. When we have a salad, we sometimes have red onion. But don't do a lot of them. So, but I'm going to show them anyway. I got the seeds for free, so why not? Courgettes. We eat sometimes. The wife eats a lot when she's on our Slim World diet. They help fill up food like stir fries or soups, stews, or oven bakes. So I think I'll only grow a couple of these. Because if I understand it, they grow quite large. Black Russian tomato, I may do some. In fact, I'm going to do a couple just to see what they're like. Because we've been eating a lot of tomatoes from the store, super stores, and they're absolutely tasteless. It's like eating water. So I can't wait to get my own tomatoes going. So I'll try some of these, but these will be a bit later on. Squash. Don't know. We eat butternut squash. I don't think we've tried anything else. So I may do a couple of these just to see what they're like. Hopefully they're good. Some other lettuce I'm going to put in. Lolo Rossa. Got it for free, going to grow it. don't mind lettuce. In fact, quite enjoy lettuce on my burgers and no. And it says there I can sow from March, so that'll be going in. Put that one down there. Carrot, not going to grow these. I grew I didn't grow. I looked at some other ones, and I got one called Resist the Fly or something, and Early 90s. So I've got them, so I'm not going to bother with them. Well, maybe do them next year. I've already got dill growing. I've already got kale growing, and I've already got calabrese growing. So they're not getting done. According to these, I can grow them in March and April, but we're in Scotland, so I'll leave them to near the end of March. These can go in April, May, so probably wouldn't do. Oh, mind you, I might. April, May, I'll probably just start them anyway. They're definitely going in. I don't know if you actually saw that. This says April, May. But I'm going to start them anyway. Put them in the tunnel. These are definitely going in, the red onions. Swiss chard. I can grow them March and April, so they'll be going in March and April. Now, hold on a minute. That says you can sow them from March right through to August. Alright, okay. I was getting confused there. I'm thinking, that says I'll not be able to harvest these till next year, but I'm obviously reading it wrong. Try to read it through the phone. So, is this good? Is it tasty? Has it got a similarity to something else? I don't know. Just if anybody can let me know, I would appreciate it. And this is definitely going in. Grow that at any time. Okay, that's us for today, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Please take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.